because you never know. Life is unpredictable.
Yes.
And like with me, I never got that chance.
Yes.
I never got it. But, this is what I mean, that you are connected. And in some way, I feel like my mother is still here, like guiding me, and so is my father. Parang, it's weird, or maybe it's just in my head. I don't care, but I'd like to think na sila to. Kahit ito, may mga script na dumarating sa akin na alam kong galing sa nanay ko to, galing sa tatay ko to. May ganon. I mean, ultimately galing sa Panginoon, 'di ba? Pero parang alam ko na okay. And then even ito ngayon, yung sabi ko, mas naiintindihan ko ang nanay ko. Ang hirap niyang intindihin dati.
Yes.
Wow.
Totoo yan.
Pero the older I get, the more I understand her. And the more my heart breaks for her, actually. Because there's no perfect person,
Yes.
but they're all just doing their best with what they
Kasi
they
wala
can.
namang teacher, di ba? Para sa pagiging nanay.
Mm-mm.
Lahat yan dahil sa experience.